Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate hidden content on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, navigate within your library, go to some content that we will highlight and right click to then hide. 2 videos and 2 photos, highlight, right click, and then hide 4 items. We can choose to hide our content one by one after the other. In this tutorial, we are looking for a shortcut, so we highlight, right click, and then hide 4 items. These items will be hidden from all places in your library, but can be found in the hidden album. That's fine. Click on hide. As you can see, those videos and photos have now been moved to the hidden folder. So how do we locate that folder, which is the question in today's video? Go to view, go to show hidden photo album. Once we click on that, the hidden album now appears within photos. Click on this, and there we have it. The videos and photos on screen as part of our content are available now on screen only for us to view. If we, let's just say, click on view, hide that album, go to library, the videos and photos that were hidden are no longer visible on screen. They are in fact hidden away from the main library. So we can now go to photos, quit photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.